isn't about fixing ourselves. We often think about healing when we feel like we need to fix ourselves in some way, like we're broken and look imperfect. But I don't see healing that way. I don't believe most people are broken. I think life happens. Like we get divorced, uh, we have an argument, we look after aging parents, we bring up kids, we hold down a job, we look after our houses, we deal with everything going on in the world, and we adapt. So those adaptations kind of become normal. We kind of mold and shift ourselves into coping and dealing with what's going on in life. And then that thing that we've become becomes normal, and we kind of hold on to it, and that becomes us. So those adaptations become normal, even if they're exhausting us. So we lose touch with what's underneath all of that, underneath the responsibilities, underneath that survival mode, that adaptation. So healing isn't about fixing ourselves. It's not about becoming a completely different person. It's getting in touch with what's under all those adaptations. It's about letting go of what is no longer serving you. Peeling back those layers after all these years. It's helping your body and your mind remember. Remember how it feels to be safe. Remember how it feels to be calm and connected to life. So, one of my favorite things is not when I don't think I've ever heard a client say, "You fix me." It's when they say, "Wow, I feel more like myself again." That, to me, is healing. Not creating a new version of you, but coming back to who you really are or were before those adaptations. Coming back to the person you were always meant to be. Now, that doesn't happen overnight. It does take more than one session. And sometimes it's those small incremental steps over time. But even those small steps can make you feel more like you and change how you experience life. Imagine making your choices from a place of calm safety instead of fear and reaction. Imagine trusting yourself again. Imagine waking up feeling lighter, more like you, and excited about the day. And that's what gets me excited. It's not about fixing people, it's about bringing you back to yourself, kind of bringing you back to you home, if you like, helping people reconnect with themselves. If you don't know who I am, I'm Eloise. I'm an intuitive healer based in the UK, and I've been healing people since 2008 full time. And if you ever want to book a session, you're welcome to. But, ladies, if you want to come and join me inside my community, I will put the details below. If you're a woman in midlife, maybe you've just gone through a divorce, the kids have left home, and you feel like reconnecting with yourself, come and join me and the other lovely ladies inside Dream Life Sanctuary, because this is the space for you to not only start to reconnect with yourself, but to create the life that you would love now that you have the freedom to do that, because it can feel overwhelming. And this is the space where we can guide you home and you can reconnect with you. Have a great week. Take care. Bye.